Good morning. It's 10:35 right now. Right now I'm getting ready to go to IKEA. I want a pegboard for my desk setup, so I'm gonna hopefully go find that at IKEA because I saw that they sell it. But right now I have to go get ready. I'm gonna do my makeup and you guys can I'll do a makeup routine. I'll show you guys how I do my makeup. The first thing I start with is eyeliner, and this is the one that I use. This one is so amazing. I'm, by the way, I like to be really precise with my eyeliner, so one side is done. I got that transferred on this side. Pray for me. And this is what it looks like completed. I probably will see mistakes along the way when I'm doing the rest of my makeup, so I'm gonna be going back and fixing it. Next thing is mascara. So I use, give me a second, I get my curtain out. This is just for primer so I can put on the lashes, but I use Peri-Pura Black Cara. I think that's what it's called. It kind of rubbed off here, but it's a Peri-Pura mascara and it has a dog on it. So just gonna prime my lashes real quick. I don't put on too much, but this mascara works beautifully. Okay, I would not judge the mascara based off my lashes. My lashes suck. I've used false lashes and, you know, it gets ripped out and damaged. But, next is lashes. Great. Lashes. They work wonderfully. You just need a good glue. And I use this glue. I got it from TJ Maxx, so it works great. Let's put these on. So we got one lash on. Now it's time to do the other one. I also still haven't figured out what I'm gonna wear. So we'll figure that out. We'll figure it out. I mean, really, it's just going to IKEA, but you know, a girl's gotta look cute when she goes wherever she goes. And we have both lashes on. Next step, blush. Oh, I recently got this flower nose blush. It is gorgeous, as you can see. What shade is this? Berry Mary. Very gorgeous packaging. I haven't really used it too much, so can't tell. Okay, next step is highlighting. It is the Benefit Cookie highlighter. Stole it from my mom. She doesn't use it anymore, so I just decided to take it. So I just kind of put it on here. And then I take a smaller brush, highlight my nose. I just make a line here and then just one out, hold up my finger. And then last part, I put a little bit on the inner corner. So I use, okay, you can barely see it, but NYX lip liner, shade Nude Pink. Oh my god, I need to sneeze. Okay, never mind. Okay. So I just take this and just a little it on the bottom, and I kind of blend it out with my finger. I overlined just a bit, so nothing too crazy. And I take this Glassing Color Rome and Gloss in the color Peony Ballet, and open it up. Okay. And as you can see, this color is really light. It's nice, but what I like to do is I take the NYX Fat Oil lip oil in the color Supermodel, and I put it on the inner corner or inner part of my lip. You see, kind of brings back that color. And that is my makeup routine. Now we gotta go get dressed, finish my hair with my bangs, and then we're gonna go to IKEA. I still have no clue what I'm gonna wear. Well, I just checked the weather. It's gonna be like 80 degrees, so pretty hot. I'm gonna dig out some options. Give me a sec. Okay, wait, hear me out. It's gonna be hot, but I could wear this with a skirt. I could do this, or, although I kind of don't love the option, but we don't have a choice. This top is really cute. Yes, we love it, but everyone and their mothers has it. Let me try on the outfit and let me come back to that. Let me come back. Okay, I'm gonna probably wear this because it's just like simple enough. Baby doll top and jeans. Next, we got to fix up the bangs. Okay, so bangs. As you can see, I have them up in a roller. Take it out. Oh, okay. That's not what I wanted. Anyway, so take it out of the roller. As you can see, kind of see the vision. But what I do is I take a straightener and I take the bangs and I pull it back. And then it'll settle in. Give it a second. Do this side. Pull it back. And then you just play with it. There it is. So I didn't get any footage inside IKEA. But I will say, we secured the board. It's home. It's nailed it to the wall. I decorated just a little bit, and I'll show you guys in just a second. But yeah, sorry I didn't get any footage inside IKEA, but I kind of just forgot. I kind of low-key forgot. But it was a good day. I got my pegboard, so let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. Kind of I feel like it's kind of blank. It's not that cute yet, but it'll get cute over time. But so we got our little, we'll start over here. We got our little Jake section because I'm a Jake girly. Another Jake photo card there as well. And I got my Roman lip tint or lip gloss. And I got little figurines that I have collected. It's barely anything, but you know, it's the start of something. We also got some photos here, more photos up there, and then, I don't know, some random pens in there. Just thought it added to the aesthetic. And then lastly, SZA CD, because I love SZA. So yeah, that is it basically. Thanks for watching.